Article 14, Aggravating Circumstance. The following are aggravating circumstances. Number 1. That the advantage be taken by the offender of his public position. Number 2. That a crime be committed or in contempt or with insult to the public authority. Number 3. That a crime be committed with insult or disregard the respect due to the offended party on account of his rank, age, or sex, or that be committed in the dwelling of the offended party if the latter has not given provocation. Number 4. That the act be committed with abuse of confidence or obvious ungratefulness. Number 5. That a crime be committed in the palace of the chief of executive or his presence, or where the public authorities are engaged in the discharge of their duties, or in a palace dedicated to religious worship. Number 6. That a crime be committed in the night time or in the uninhabited place or by a band, whenever circumstance may facilitate the commission of the offense. Number 7. That a crime be committed on the occasion of the conflagration, shipwreck, earthquake, epidemic, or other calamity, misfortune. Number 8. That a crime be committed with the aid of armed men or person who ensure or afford impunity. Number 9. That the accused is a recidivist. Number 10. That the offender has been previously punished by offense to which the law attacks an equal or greater penalty, or for 2 or more crimes which is attack a lighter penalty. Number 11. That a crime being committed consideration of a reward or promise. Number 12. That a crime be committed by means of inundation, poison, explosion, stranding of a vessel, or international damage thereto, detail of a locomotive of any other artifice involving great waste and ruin. Number 13. That the act be committed with evidence premeditation. Number 14. That a craft, fraud, or disguise be employed. Number 15. That the advantage be taken of superior strength or means to employ to weaken the defense. Number 16. That the act be committed with treachery. Number 17. That means employed or circumstance which ignominy to the natural effects of the act. Number 18. That a crime be committed after an unlawful entry. Number 20. That a crime be committed with the aid of person under 15 years of age by means of motor vehicle, motorized watercraft, airship, or other similar means. 21. That a wrong done in the commission of the offense be deliberately argument by causing other wrong necessary for its commission.